guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we're going to show you how to remove a payment method on Shopify. So if you're interested, let's start our tutorial. So how do we remove our payment method on Shopify? Well, it's actually pretty easy. So what we need to do first is we need to go to our Shopify store, go to shopify.com, log in into your account and access your store. Now from here, go ahead and click on settings. And from here, you want to go to the section that says payments. Now what we need to do is, by default, you should be able to see Shopify payments here or any payment method that you've added on your account. So in this case, usually at the top right, you should see the manage button. Let's go ahead and click on it. Now from here, what we need to do next is we need to click on manage payment methods. And from here, you have the option to disable some cards here and wallets. Now if you want to disable Apple Pay or American Express or MasterCard, you can go ahead and do that by clicking on the button or switch you see here and just click on deactivate Visa. But if you want to switch over or to a different payment method, like for example switching to a third-party provider here, you can go ahead and just click on it and just click on switch a third-party provider here, and you'll be able to choose from the available providers. But in this case, that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.